viewers, welcome to Ramna Food Planet. Today we are going to make microwave cake. So let's see the ingredients. Flour 250 grams, milk half cup, sugar 1 cup, butter 100 grams, eggs 4, cocoa powder 4 tablespoons, baking powder 2 teaspoons, baking soda 1 teaspoon. First we need a bowl. Now we add milk and sugar and now mix it well. Sugar is dissolved in milk. Now we add eggs. Next we add flour. Next we add baking soda, baking powder, cocoa powder. Now mix it well. And next we add butter. Batter is ready like this. Now bake for 10 minutes in microwave oven. Cake is ready. Look, it's cooked. Now we are going to make chocolate sauce for cake. Cocoa powder half cup, sugar half cup, water half cup, butter 2 tablespoons. We need a bowl. Add cocoa powder, sugar, mix it well. Add water. Now add butter.